Yo, this is vitalDaniel, and this is the first tutorial in my series of After Effects tutorials for beginners. I'm going to be going about this tutorial and the rest of the tutorials throughout the series as fast as I possibly can, so just to get down to the point. So if you need to pause it, obviously do so. I'm guessing you're going to need to anyway, unless you're already proficient in After Effects, but if you were, then I don't see why you'd be watching a beginner tutorial. Either way, let's get started. This tutorial is going to be showing you how to create an elusive effect so that your text looks like your 2D text looks 3D. It looks as if it's been extruded. Obviously in CS6 you have the extrusion tools to use, so this is really for CS 5.5 and below, so you can get the same kind of effect without the extrusion tool. Okay, first of all you're going to want to create a new composition with the create new composition icon here, and I've got my composition as 1080p and 29.97 frame rate. It doesn't really matter what your frame rate is if you're uploading to YouTube, because it's going to be capped, I think it's to 29.97 or 24, it's something like that, I'm not entirely sure, but that's what it is when it's uploaded to YouTube anyway, even if your composition is like 59.94 FPS or something. So yeah, next, you're going to want to go to Layer, New, Solid. I've got mine as a navy blue kind of fill colour. Then you can press OK. I've got that just so the text will stand out, so we can see what's going on. You want to go to your horizontal type tool here and create a text box. I'm just going to put my username in it. You can put whatever you want. Right, I'm going to go ahead and make that white so we can see it better. I'm going to use this choose grid and guide options tool and go to title/action safe. And that is basically your guidelines, so you can just line this up nicely in the center. So that'll do for this anyway. I'm not going to spend more than 10 seconds doing that. Take your title/action safe off, and now you're going to want to duplicate this layer, so select the layer and Control D. That's the duplication short key, and then you're going to want to drag this layer underneath the original one and change the text color to black. Then you want to hit P for position values, and then you want to drag the x-axis a little tiny bit to the right, and then you can see you've got like a black behind it now, and it looks like one text layer rather than the two. So that's basically it. That's the 3D illusion that we was trying to achieve then. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys the weekend in my next tutorial. Alright, cheers, bye.